But DisputeFox Credit Repair Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to DisputeFox and related credit repair resources are included in the description below. DisputeFox is a powerful credit repair software designed to help individuals and businesses automate and streamline the credit dispute process. Whether you're a DIY credit repair enthusiast or a professional credit repair agency, DisputeFox offers an efficient platform for managing and improving credit scores by automating disputes and tracking progress. One of its standout features is the fully automated dispute system, which allows users to generate and send customized dispute letters to the major credit bureaus with just a few clicks. The software integrates directly with credit report providers, simplifying the import of your credit data and eliminating the need for manual report entry. DisputeFox also provides tools for tracking disputes in real time, helping users stay on top of the process and measure their progress efficiently. Another key feature is the built-in compliance tools, ensuring that users adhere to legal requirements when disputing items under the Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA). This makes it a great choice for professionals who need to ensure compliance while handling multiple client accounts. The platform is intuitive, cloud-based, and designed for users at various skill levels, whether you're just starting your credit repair journey or have experience managing disputes. Pricing is flexible, with both individual and business plans available, making it suitable for a wide range of users. However, DisputeFox has its limitations. While it's highly effective for disputing negative marks on your credit report, it doesn't offer a full suite of financial education or budgeting tools which could help users improve their overall credit health beyond just removing errors. Additionally, because it's an automated system, some users may find the personalized support lacking. While the software is easy to use, those unfamiliar with the credit repair process might need additional guidance to maximize its potential. Overall, DisputeFox is an excellent solution for users looking for an efficient, automated way to handle credit disputes. It's especially beneficial for credit repair professionals who need a reliable system for managing multiple clients while staying compliant with the law. Check the links in the description to explore DisputeFox and see how it can help you repair your credit efficiently.